Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Tineco vacuum mop not charging, power base, connection and battery fix. Fix 1. Check the power outlet. Unplug the charging dock from the wall outlet, then plug another device into the same outlet. If the outlet has no power, use a different wall outlet. Plug the Tineco charging dock back in. Second one is check the charging adapter. Make sure the power adapter is firmly connected to the charging dock. Then check the cable for cuts, bends or damage. If the adapter is damaged, replace it with a compatible Tineco charger. Third one is place the vacuum correctly on the charging base. Put the vacuum straight onto the charging dock, then make sure the charging pins lines up with the metal contact. Then check that the vacuum sits securely without leaning. Look for the charging light to turn on. Fourth one is clean the charging contact. Unplug the charging dock, then find the metal charging contact on both the vacuum and the dock. Wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth, then if they are dirty, clean them gently with a cotton swab and a little rubbing alcohol. Let the contact dry before charging again. Fifth one is restart the vacuum. Remove the vacuum from the charging dock, then hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button, then place the vacuum back on the charging dock. Thanks for watching.